Hi, so I'm currently not really feeling that well, so this is just gonna be a really short video. This is April 2025, and this is gonna be day 275 of consistently helping people build consistency. So how do you actually stay consistent at doing your positive things like exercising, studying, practicing your art, literally anything? So the thing that we need to be asking here, the question that we need to be asking here is what is the thing that actually becomes the biggest obstacle, right, in our way in order to become consistent? Well, I don't know about you, right? But for most people, these challenges basically is something as simple that they just don't know what is the thing that they are going to be doing. Okay, they say that yeah, I'm gonna exercise, yeah, I'm gonna study, but they don't really have a clear definition of what a studying is, what is considered as exercising, right? I mean, this is going to be problematic. What type of exercise that you are going to be doing? How many minutes you are going to be spending your time doing your studying? How can you know when have you actually finished your studying? How much exercising is enough exercising? How can you even be consistent at doing something if you don't really have a clear idea of what is the thing that you are going to be doing consistently, right? So the first thing that we are going to be doing here is that we are going to be making the thing that we are going to be doing extremely clear. How? We are going to be making it really clear by making it specific and also measurable. So for example, instead of just saying that, yeah, I'm gonna study every single day, make it measurable. Sorry, make it specific first. Oh yeah, I'm gonna read a book every single day. Oh yeah, I'm gonna play Duolingo every single day. That's something more specific. And also, not only that we make it specific, we also make it measurable, right? Oh yeah, you know what? I'm gonna do at least 10 minutes of Duolingo every single day. I'm gonna be reading at least 2 pages of educational book every single day, right? So specific and measurable. So why is this good when we just frame things this way? One, we don't really have to spend the mental energy and the time anymore on a day-to-day basis deciding what is the thing that we are going to be doing. It's clear, we don't have to think anymore, right? Oh yeah, 10 minutes of studying. Oh yeah, sorry, 10 minutes of reading a book. 10 minutes of Duolingo, right? Comparatively, when we don't really have this kind of idea, we kind of like spend our time just thinking, oh, you know what, am I going to be doing this? Am I going to be doing that? And ends up just procrastinating so much, we end up just saying that, oh yeah, you know what, I'm gonna be doing it tomorrow. So the second reason why this is gonna be effective, right? So this is why is this going to be helping you to be consistent, is that precisely you can actually, know, right? You can precisely know how much is enough. Okay, you can actually feel some sense of daily achievement, right? Daily fulfillment. Why? Because here's the thing: when you just say that, hey, I'm going to be doing 10 minutes of reading a book every single day, you can actually know when have you actually finished doing that thing. Okay, you said that you are going to be doing 10 minutes of reading a book. You actually did the 10 minutes of reading the book. You can actually say that, hey, you know what, I've done the thing that I said that I'm going to be doing. I have fulfilled my own personal goal, right? So this is something that cannot be achieved when we just say that, you know what, I'm going to be studying every single day. I mean, how much studying is enough studying? Is it like 5 seconds of studying? Is it like 10 seconds of studying? If you don't really have a clear idea, can you just say that, oh yeah, you know what, I've done my 30 seconds of studying, and like consider it as a day, right? So basically, when you just don't have a clear idea, right, a clear definition, you're going to be doubting your own, commitment, because you don't really feel that you're fulfilling, you are achieving, you are accomplishing your daily goal on a day-to-day basis. Comparatively, when you just have a really clear goal, you can say that, oh, you know what? Yeah, I've done my daily target, right? I've done my daily target today, also yesterday, also 2 days ago. In fact, I've been consistently fulfilling my own daily target for the past 7 days, for the past 14 days. And guess what? I'm also going to be doing it on day 15th, on day 16th, on day 17th, and so on and so on. So basically, it kind of give us some evidence, right? Give us some proof that we can actually do the thing, right? We are proving something to ourselves that, hey, I'm capable to do this thing. And not only that I'm capable to do this thing, I actually choose to do that thing, right? Because, hey, you know what? I can just choose to be lazy and not do it, but I still choose to do it, right? So basically, it's kind of give us some sense of confidence that, hey, I can actually do that thing, right? And through that confidence, we are going to be thinking like, hey, you know what? I'm also going to be doing it tomorrow. I'm also going to be doing it the next day, and so on and so on. So that's basically how you stay consistent at doing your positive things. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this video helpful. And yeah, thank you for watching. Join our Discord. You can also support my work on Gumroad, buy me some coffee. And for today's date, authenticity post today, April 4th, no, April 9th, 2025, and memes are posted a Kai Sanat post last 24 hours. Thank you.